Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. Today is the very last day of the install of the cabinetry going into my office. Right now what the installer is doing is putting in the trim all around, including the back, the crown molding, and also the base trim. I am really happy. Originally, I was a little skeptical about going so dark with the cabinets, but now, which is about 3 days after the fact, seeing all the furniture in the room, it was an absolute great decision simply because it coordinated all the colors together really nicely. I can't wait to incorporate some of the pillows in this space. Right now, the installer is bringing in the base trim. They stained and colored everything, as they were building the pieces, so that way everything was going to match perfectly, and it looks really good. I'm very happy with this.
Don't say you can't, 'cause you can. Stop worrying. Try to forgive, 'cause we all are suffering. Yeah. Don't let them get in your head. Don't let them win. No. You're trying hard to pursue a dream that's not your own. Don't care about what they expect you to be. 'Cause when you find out what that truly means, wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in your head, saying can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in your head, saying can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. In the midst of madness, we seek to find the end of the rainbow. Slowly moving towards the life we first intend. Oh yeah. Don't let them get in your head. Don't let them win. No.
I think now you guys can actually see the full span of this wall. Previously, it may have looked a little bit smaller, but it's quite big. It is quite big. How long before you think you're done?
Probably an hour.
Okay, not rushing you. I have a friend coming over, that's why I'm asking.
How's that look? Better?
Yeah, it looks much better. Yeah, because I didn't like the space.
These are gonna be stained too.
Yeah, this is good. I like this. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. I was so tempted to clean it, wipe everything down yesterday, but I was like,
I'm
he's
only
gonna come
gonna
right
get
back
dusty. I'm gonna get
tomorrow.
dusty again.
But I was like, let me clean up over
You're
here.
like me. I get a little OCD about stuff like that.
Yeah,
I'll
let me
clean it,
just-
then I'll go back and do something like that.
Yeah, I was like, let me just clean a little bit.
What else? Hardware. Alright, grab my jig.
So the pull color that's going to be getting installed today is black. I had 3 options for hardware, which was black, the muted silver, and then a chrome, which I wasn't going to go with silver because of the golds in this room. So I opted to just do the black hardware, which I think actually ended up looking really great. You can't really see it, which again, something that I was going for in this space. Am I going to change it in the future? Not really sure. Last thing on my mind right now. So I don't really know, but it works and I didn't have to pay for it. So it's probably going to stay as is considering, how much everything was. But I really love the cabinets, you guys. Like, I really wanted some doors. If you had an opportunity to watch the vlog where I was up really late and I'm like things are everywhere, and it just started to become a little bit overwhelming, honestly, just to seeing things like this. I'm actually going to take one of the shelvings out so I can have like hanging space, so I can put my swatches. I'm really excited about that, but I'm gonna go ahead and let him do the hard work. Let you guys watch that, and I'll be back.
Don't go pursue a dream that's not your own. Yeah. Don't care about what they expect you to be. 'Cause when you find out what that truly means, wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads, they can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads, they can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes.
So this is the last hardware going in, you guys, and it looks so good. I also bought a little small Christmas gift for myself, well, technically for my business, and I'm gonna share it with you guys right now. You guys, I am really excited. I did not open this all the way. I just got it. This is the iPad Pro. It's the 128 gigabytes. This is definitely going to be used this weekend when I travel. And I got it engraved. So I did do a personal engraving on the back, which says SBC. It's styled by Casanova, which I love. It's at 97%, you guys. And then I have the pencil, which also has my name on it. Because I was like, this thing costs too much for me to be talking about, oh, it's lost. At least if someone takes it or whatever, they'd have to really like scratch it off. So that's my thought process. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and pick everything up off the floor. For those of you guys that have been asking, the paint color on the wall is Sherwin-Williams Extra White. Again, Sherwin-Williams Extra White. All you have to do is go in there and ask for it. It's in the emerald. I got it in the I believe the satin, if I'm not mistaken. I will do a video in the future discussing all the paint colors in the house, but I'm going to go ahead and take everything up off the floor. And the brown paper, you guys, that you're seeing on the floor, I did purchase that from Home Depot. Really affordable, really easy, especially when you're around the house and you're painting and you're also hanging items up on the wall. You can use this, and of course, getting your cut of glass. But now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and move to the cabinets. This small handheld vacuum, you guys, is from Amazon. I will leave it in the description box. That way, if you guys are interested, you can check it out. It did a really great job of cleaning inside of the cabinets. Now I'm going in with my Caldrea and just wiping everything down. It was quite dusty. That's one thing about going dark. You will 100% see every bit of dust fingerprints on the cabinets. But again, I really do love it. I mentioned this before, but just in case you guys missed it, this is the exact color of my island. So now I'm vacuuming. The vacuum that I'm using is the LG. I'll also leave that in the description box. Once I'm done vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and move to mopping, and that's going to be it. You guys, everything will be in the description box if you're looking for it.
'Cause we are not alright. 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 Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not
Alright, you guys, here is my office. This is it. And I really love it. The cabinetry is really nice and dark, just like I wanted it. I'm excited because I'm gonna end up doing some really nice decor pieces in there. I'm gonna measure everything out so I can, you know exactly how wide each area is. I'm actually going to go up one more on the top shelf, and then I'm gonna go down one more on the bottom shelf. That way the middle is like really big. I can have like nice big substantial pieces on there. And then the smaller areas, just do some really nice books. These are the filing cabinet. I know when I was explaining it and you guys saw it on paper, might have been a little bit difficult to see, but filing cabinets are here. Of course, all the storage. I'm going to work on getting my chair clean because it's a mess. During the move, it just went through a hell of a beating. And then on this side here, I have filing cabinet, of course, and then some more storage. But you guys, I really do love it. I think it looks really great, and I'm happy with the space overall. It feels good. My glass broke because this little nugget right here broke it. It's not funny. So, you know, I have a couple of little scratches. I'm going to try to get some paint and fix that. Tomorrow, they should be delivering the glass for the top of the table so that it fits, it's good. All right. So, they're going to cut another piece of glass to go there. But you guys, the office just feels like very, like, nice. I don't know if that makes any sense, but.
Are all of these the same size?
Yes. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. So I am gonna be doing drapery panels. I'm gonna be selecting the color sometime this week to get that situated. But yeah, I'm really happy.